Boy, oh boy. Why is Ryan's car so loud? Alright. Who the heck is making all this noise? Oh my. Bro, you beat that thing up! Oh my goodness, dude. Why is it... What is going on back here?
Let me explain. Basically, okay, I don't really fully know, but this got messed up and bent in somehow.
And then whenever I drive on the freeway and I had it like this, the wind would just go.
All right. Well, this is why he's in today, guys. We are going to be building Mr. Fong right here. A full rear diffuser.
Again, this version 3.
Version 3. 3. So that's the plan. We're going to be attaching this guy to this guy via 2 extra pieces on each side. And we're going to be rebuilding this thing.
So I realized I don't break front splitters, I just break diffusers.
Yeah, is it your driveway or something?
My driveway is pretty brutal. But that's what I'm saying. I think we just need to...
We'll definitely adjust the design. So we're going to be replacing 1, 2... I wonder if we can get away without breaking everything all the way down. That's the question. Well, that's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Let's get to work. 13 and a Phillips is all we need. This thing's a lot more jacked up than I thought. So we're just gonna go knock this out. Anyway, so it's just mounted by 2 screws on each side, 4 total. 2 hangers, and the bumper mounts have bolts through them. What? Yo, what happened, dude? What the hell did you do to this thing? This thing is jacked up. Like the center is ripped out.
Oh, for real? That's literally then probably from the bottom.
It's like super bad.
I didn't know it was that bad.
The middle is broken off.
Really?
Oh, I didn't even know that.
Version 3.
This is supposed to be an easy build.
Out of the 3 times I've been here to revisit this, I don't think it's been easy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, see, that's from the mud.
Yeah, look at the chip though. Oh my.
Hold on.
Look at this. What is that?
So I didn't realize how bad the diffuser was.
So we're gonna reuse this, these. I'm just gonna trim them off a little bit. I don't want to reuse the middle, just cause.
Look at that. It's
How does that happen, okay?
I don't know.
We should be able to reuse. We're just gonna have to like remove everything and then clean it up.
Yeah, I told you it was from that mud.
We're just gonna replace a bunch of brackets, then build out the sides. So let's go knock out the center, and
I don't think I have
then
to make it easier on this guy.
it'll be good. Sorry for the wind, guys. Have to leave on the box fans because it is 94 degrees today, and I ain't chilling in that. All right, let's remove all these rivets. Alright guys, we got everything disassembled. It took forever because a lot of the rivets popped wrong, but here we are now, and I already drew in the line. That's how much we're going to cut it. I'm sure it'll still scrape a little bit, but we're also going to round out the back just slightly. After we get everything adjusted, we're going to go put it all together after we clean up all this mud that's on here for no reason.
I don't know how that happened.
We're gonna go put it back together, then we'll build the rest of the floor. Oh, and we gotta redo the centerpiece. That's what we got this guy here for. All right guys, so we have the diffuser all cleaned up, adjusted, and it is ready to be cleaned now. We got Fong about to clean up all that mud, and that'll be good. But what we got back on the table now is the rest of the rear diffuser to make it a full rear diffuser. So I just need to cut all that out. I did this last night. That's the panel that attaches to under there. And this is what goes underneath those side fins. So I know Fong already had these and I really liked his design. So we're just gonna be bolting that up to these. These are going smooth. We don't have a lot of time, but it's gonna come out sick. And we're just trying to knock it out. So let's just keep going. Alright guys, so that was pretty much cutting out everything we needed for the diffuser. Now we just need to clean everything up before we put it onto the car and assemble everything. So let's go finish that right now. Alright, so we have everything cut out and we can finally get to assembling this full rear diffuser. So we're gonna go throw the center together and we're gonna go put it onto the car and then we can go do the sides after that, but we gotta put the center back on. We got the center mocked up. Now we're gonna go put it onto the car, mock up the sides, remove it again, drill the holes for the sides, and then we're gonna be able to final assemble everything and put it on the car. Yeah, let's go throw this onto the car. Let's throw it on. Oh yeah, you bent the bracket. Yeah. I can do this. Totally did that too. Where it's supposed to be, except yours is way. Oh! Look at this man's. He's mind blown, but we gotta adjust this. Be right back. Alright guys, we're almost done. You can see it's been a while. It's been a minute since we turned on the camera, so it's already night.
Yeah, the sun's kind of gone now.
It's been about 2 hours. We ran into some issues because I guess when I made the templated design, we just kind of changed it up a little bit. So that kind of jacked up everything, but we got it. And we adjusted everything. We already mocked everything onto the car, so we're good. We're finally up to the last part where I need to secure and just final piece this whole rear diffuser together, and we'll be done. We're just gonna go bolt everything up and finish out the build. Do I look like a model right now? He thinks so. So we got the markings on there. Now we're right here. It is time. Let's just go down. Alright guys, so here we got it. We got the sides complete. We got these riveted onto the bottom, which is gonna be the side mounts, and we also have the other side complete right there. So we're gonna be throwing those onto the car first, and then we're gonna put up the center and bolt everything up to the sides and we'll be good. So let's knock it out. It's really late. Wasn't planning on doing a full rear. This guy better be thankful.
I'm always thankful.
I got chapped lips and he doesn't even want to put chapstick on me. All right, yeah, I'm just kidding. I'm just playing. Let's go knock it out. But for real, you could put chapstick on my lips for me. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. Fong's over here taking some photos for the reveal for you guys. You guys probably already seen this a little bit ago. I'm gonna be editing this video probably for you guys to go up in a week or so. So, yeah, let's check out this rear diffuser. Nope, it's too dark. All right, guys, that is it. Hopefully you guys like that. Thank you guys for reaching the end of the video. Thank you guys for checking it out to begin with. And if you guys liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Drive away, drive away. You can leave. I'm gonna record you leaving. What?
I gotta get my gauges and turn.
Leave already.
I gotta turn
Just
traction.
leave, dude.
I gotta turn traction control off. Hold on, our VSA. And then I gotta plug in my music.
Oh my.
No, I'm just kidding. All right,
leave my house, dude. You need some Japanese wheels, by the way.
I know. Coming soon.
That's about it, dude. All right. You're good. Oh, light work. Ooh, super clear. Yo. Okay. The level up though.